Here with Ed Swanson. May I call you Ed?
You could.
Okay, and me and Marlena, Alex Masco and Marlena Trumbo are here. So, Coach, what are your thoughts on this upcoming season?
Well, I'm really excited where the team is right now. I thought we've had a good 2.5 weeks of practice. I think our team is competing at a high level, and I'm really interested to see what this team can become down the line.
Awesome, great answer. Well, me and Mar have some fun questions to ask you. If you could be any animal that you wanted to be, what would you be?
A good question. Probably a tiger.
Yeah, why is that?
You know, fierce. I like hunting, you know, and all that sort of stuff. So, you know, I think I'd be a tiger.
Wow, very cool. You?
Oh, if I was an animal, I think I'd be a cat.
Nice. Well, what's the next question? Can you, okay, let's see.
Can you dunk the basketball? Yeah, or have you before?
A tennis ball on a very good court, I have, yes.
So, okay, my next question. Before a game day, how long does it take you to style your hair?
5 minutes. It's all pretty natural and just falls right into place as soon as I wake up in the morning. So not as much as the team thinks I do.
He wakes up flawless.
A few questions. So, Alex, who's your favorite player on the team and why?
Who's my favorite player? I like Marlena Trumbo because we do the pick and roll pretty well. Pick and roll action. She can kind of like this telepathy thing going on. I screen her, she just knows where I'm gonna go, and she bounces it to me, and
Well, that's true, but please don't give away a lot of things to the competitors. We are here in CAA Media Day. We are not going to run any pick and rolls with Marlena and Alex. And Marlena, same question for you. Who is your favorite player on the team?
Well, I like Alex a lot too. I also like Misha because she cracks a lot of jokes and she's very entertaining and supportive, and she cheers a lot for us on the sideline even though she's out for her injury, and I think just a nice person.
Well, great question. Great answer. Very sweet. That's it for Try Basketball at CAA Media Day.